welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk a little bit more about balancing the tray, actually unloading a tray. I was on vacation in California to visit my sister a couple of weeks ago, and I found a really nice message on my YouTube from Crystalline TV. She says, yeah, but what do I do when the tray is full of drinks poured in those glasses? Is there any extra tips for this situation? Thank you so much for writing to me, and I promised that I would make a video about it, so this is for you. Yay! So now we have our tray. I put the heaviest thing, which is this water, in the middle, and then I have a couple drinks here. I have a full beer. I also have a full beer here. I love Corona, not sponsored. Ooh, but wish it was. And then I have some lemons here in case you like that with your beer. And of course, that's not so dangerous, so then I have it over here. Right now I'm holding the tray away from myself, but if you want and you don't feel, ooh, I don't feel so comfortable holding this, I actually put it on a 3-point. So I have it right here, and then I can kind of go under, so then I also have the second point here, and the third point is over here. Now you feel a lot more stable. You need to be careful that your clothes aren't going into the food or the drinks or whatever, but it is a lot easier to set down the tray when you have, or set down the things on your tray when you have kind of this 3-point going on. So remember, we had the heaviest thing in the middle and then kind of worked out in the spiral. So the least dangerous thing is on the outside. Then I want to unload it the same way, where I want to get rid of the most dangerous thing first. So the most dangerous thing right now is this big can of water. So I'm going to set that down here. And in the beginning, I think it's all right that if you have a big table with a bunch of guests here, that you set it all down where no one is sitting. You have a little space to put all your drinks. So let's continue here. That's also full. Just gonna kind of group it here. That was not the most dangerous, but I did take it off. And ending with the least dangerous, the little thing of lemons. Then I'm going to take my tray, put it underneath my arm, and again, you can do basically anything you want with your tray underneath your arm. And then I am going to pour, for example, my water. And remember to smile when you pour up drinks. Yes, after you have it poured, of course, you can kind of disperse it around to your different guests. And here is your drink. When you set down your drinks all together and you're, taking around the table and you're serving everybody like that, if it's a bigger group, sometimes they'll want to help you and they will grab the drinks as well and they will start serving themselves. That's all right. Just kind of maybe give a positive comment to it, like, oh, thanks for helping me out. I really hope you enjoy these drinks. Continue to serve people until everybody has their drink in front of them. So this is the beginning way, this 3-point, which is right here, and then your fingers at the end, and then of course your tray right here when you're unloading. Let's go to a little bit more advanced technique from there. So I'm gonna load this tray up again with the heaviest thing in the middle. One moment. So now my tray is loaded again, and when I go pick up my tray at the bar or the service station, wherever it is, then I'm going to grip onto here and I'm just gonna slide it so my hand is under here. And again, I'm gonna use my bicep muscle. This time, I'm not going to do a 3-point handle. I'm really going to try to balance, and my hand is right underneath the heaviest object, which is this water. So again, I get down to my table. Ooh, gonna take that off. Whenever you're nervous, try to smile because it makes you look like you have more confidence. And again, I'm going to sit it down into a group, and then I'm going to disperse it to my guests, ending with the least dangerous item. So underneath my arm here, going to take the glass, pour it up. I have your water here, ma'am, sir. I hope you enjoy it. Gonna set it in front of the lady. Gonna set this in front of the little kid, grandpa, uncle, little girl. Oh, and here's your lemons for your Corona. I hope you enjoy. The more advanced way to unload your tray that I personally prefer, and that's when you have a lot of balance, and I would like to talk to you a little bit about that, because if you are focusing on one hand pouring, a lot of times the hand that's holding the tray is also gonna pour. And that's the worst thing you can do. So you really have to figure out one hand is pouring and the other hand is, of course, trying to keep this balanced. So let's say I want to have the water. It's quite heavy here, so I'm gonna take this up and I'm gonna pour it here. And I'm gonna set down the water for the lady. And then I have your beer. I personally don't like to pour beers on the tray just because it makes too many bubbles. But let's say you have a Coke or something, or a soda, then it could be a little bit easier and relaxed with your lemon. And again, if you can borrow a tray to take home to practice with some different drinks like we did today, then you can become, of course, a little bit more comfortable. Please go back and if it helps you out to watch the last video I made about how to balance a tray, I'll link it at the end of this video. And if you have any other requests or any other questions about the tray, please let me know. I would love to make a little video for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'm Ginny May, the Intergalactic Supreme Goddess of Guest Service, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by pressing my face right here. Otherwise, if you'd like to see another video, just press here. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!